welcome to today's YouTube video. This was requested by a viewer. They wanted me to show you how to replace the batteries on one of these little crickets. I do have the original instructions here for anybody who needs a visual reference, but I'm also going to walk you through it. We have our toy, this press down and pull. A handy dandy tiny screwdriver is going to be your best friends. It should just wedge right in here and pop it out. Grab your new battery that came with the toy. Line this up with the tracks on the inside and the outside of it. Make sure that's all the way in. Alright, and this part, unfortunately, mine's a little broken. But you're just going to want to try to push this down into the plastic mold a little bit. Like that. And then it locks in place. As you can see, and you're ready to go. Nice, simple, and easy. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.